Children, good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, that is multiplication and division. And the symbol used for this is into, and for division it is the horizontal line and two dots on either side of the line. Today we are going to see where we are going to use multiplication and division. Now, children, suppose you are four friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each friend is having two pencils. First friend is having two pencils, second friend is also having two pencils, third friend is also having two pencils, and fourth friend two pencils. Now, we want to find out how many total pencils are there with all the four friends. So, how to do that? It is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Altogether it is 8. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, this is for only 4 friends. If we have so many friends and if you go on adding, it takes much time. So, to reduce our time, this multiplication came into existence. So, number of pencils into 4 friends. Number of pencils is 2 and number of friends are 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. So the same answer we got, okay, when we add or multiply. So this multiplication is also called as repeated addition. What is the multiplication definition, children? Repeated addition is called as multiplication. So now we have taken 2 into 4 equal to 8. So in this we have three numbers. The first number is known as multiplicand. The second number is called as multiplier. The result or the answer which we get after multiplying two numbers is called product. Now we are going to see some results. So 2 into 4 is 8. 2 4s are 8. And if we change the order of the numbers, that is 4 into 2 is again 8. So when the order of the numbers change also, we'll get the same answer. Now children, if any number added to 1, any number multiplied with 1 gives the same number, the number itself, and any number multiplied with 0 is 0. And if we take three numbers and multiply, see 1 into 2 into 3, here also 1 into 2 into 3, and the grouping is first two numbers and here the right side is last two numbers multiplication. So whenever brackets are given, we will multiply whatever is there in the bracket first. So 1 2s are 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, right side 2 3s are 6 into 1, it is 6. Whatever may be the multiplication, whatever may be the grouping, answers will be same. Now we are going to enter into exercise. Now children, this is the exercise Brain Booster 4.1. Multiply the following. So here A sum is, the first number is called as multiplicand and the second number is called as multiplier and the result is known as product. I repeat, multiplicand, multiplier and product. Now we will see children how to multiply. So before you enter into this chapter, I would like to learn and I tell you that it is very important for you to learn tables. Then only this multiplication chapter is easy. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are is 28, 2 carry in hundreds place. Now let me tell ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So when we are multiplying in tens place, we will keep the carry in hundreds place. So 28. Now 4 twos is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. Now the second sum. Again write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now start again from ones place. 5 nines are 45. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 4 and 3. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 7. After 15, 15 plus 4. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is the answer. Now come to C. Again write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the sum is 7 twos are 14. 7 nines are 63 plus 1, 64. 6 in hundreds place and 4 in the answer. Now 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 21 plus 6 is, after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. So 7 sevens are 49 plus 2, 49. 50, 50, 51 is the answer. Now children, I would like you to practice this D, E and F. We'll continue in the next exercise in the next video. Thank you.